Wow, episode 43. So we are entering the flat, and I'd already shown the updates which happened yesterday. So today we will quickly jump into the work which is massively happening on site. So you see bags of rough adhesive because extensive tiling is going on. Even composite marble is been delivered on site. So the common bathroom tiling work is advancing, so even the window wall is completed. You see the niche, proposed niche wall, and the extension area has been done. So in the kids bedroom as such, it is nothing much happening as of now. It is only the composite marble and the pink marble putties which have kept in the common in the kids bedroom. Now in this bathroom we are on the verge of getting the work completed. So today the work area to be focused in this bathroom is the window wall. So below the window wall there is a proposed niche, so we have completed the tiling of that area and the extended wall, even the beam area tiling has been done. So guys, thank you so much. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thanks. Bye bye.